heartbeat. Cruising through and slow in the morning light, but everything feels so right. Walking through the shiny street, heart beats light with every step I meet. You smile and the world feels new, like raindrops dancing just for you. Cold air but I feel so warm, in your voice I find my calm. Tears huge and fall on my face, but I'm smiling in this place. Every drop feels like a song, telling me where I belong. Rain on a happy day, don't fade away. We laugh and let the moment stay. Cloudy sky, but I see the sun. With you every storm is fun. On a happy day, it's okay. Even gray turns into play. Hold my hand, don't drift apart. You're the sunshine in my heart. You're the sunshine in my heart. Umbrella small, but we don't care. We share a world that's bright and rare. Puddles shining like neon dreams. Life is more than what it seems. Tear decision still falling down, but I never feel alone in town. Every sound like